Some new images of the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro just emerged, and all we can say is there are a lot of cameras. We get more information on the possible color variants for the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and it looks like the Google Pixel 4 brings some tricks for dual SIM capabilities that it's always actually had. I'm Jaime Rivera, back in Studio One, and boy, is it cold. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today come with analytics from Gartner that claim that smartphone sales aren't going to get any better. And guess the reason why. According to certain analysts, they figure that people are now holding on to phones an average of 2.6 to 2.7 years, meaning that refresh cycle that's been going crazy for years in the past of a year is not going to happen anymore. And even though they don't provide the reasons why do you think that's happening? Because for me, the reason is the price tag. They're too expensive for you to want to change your phone every year. Now let's talk about the whole AT&T controversy and 5G, which we know is not real. There are some gadgets out there that are capable of 5G, but the network is not there yet. And so, yeah, this has gotten to the point where Sprint is actually suing AT&T because well, they're claiming something that they're not really providing and they're misleading customers, and that's just not fair. So I totally agree with Sprint. Let's see how that ends. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Pixel 4. It seems that one of the features that we should expect from that phone is dual SIM capabilities. But the funny part is, actually, ever since the Pixel 2, the phone has been capable of dual SIM. That was actually the first phone that I ever saw with an eSIM in addition to a SIM card. The only problem is it's only working for Project Fi, and it requires certain things for you to be able to activate it. Yeah, that's something that's finally coming officially. Now let's move the spotlight over to the rumors that keep on coming, the Samsung Galaxy S10. Expect the rumor roundup from us very soon. What's interesting is, well, it seems that we have color options. There seems to be a black or a white and I think that's more of a silver in the case of the larger variants, and then a turquoise. But this turquoise one has this really interesting gradient depending on the variant. Probably the one that I like the most is that S10e, where we see a canary yellow available. I hope that's more a Ferrari yellow than anything, but yeah, the colors seem to be interesting. I wish they came out with a red, man. They already did it with the S9 Plus. Why not just bring it here? And finally, the hot news today have to do again with the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. Last week on Friday, we covered certain leaked renders. Today we see case leaks, and once there are case leaks, this is pretty much close call. We're talking about a lot of cameras. At first, I thought they were a Photoshop job in the case of the P30 Pro. No, it seems that from the front, both devices will have the same notch and the same display design, which is different from the P20 and P20 Pro. Then in the case of the P30, wow, we see a different flash arrangement. It seems that this might be, I don't know, it looks like a Xeon flash. I could be mistaken. That would be totally awesome. But anyways, in today's comment, let us know. I mean, what do you think? You like this design or not? And how many cameras do you need? Because I don't know, man. I mean, Huawei has really been killing it with their cameras. I'm not going to complain. There must be a reason for that. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.